Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Coach Chris from Anytime Fitness Wilson. I'm here today to discuss to you about the squat racks, the purpose, and how to do it properly. Squat rack is the machine that's used for the legs and help us to develop our lower body. To demonstrate our workout, let me introduce to you Emerson. If you're a beginner, you don't need to lift heavy. Place the bar in the shoulder level. Lift the bar and straighten your body. Step backward. Position your legs, shoulder width apart. Maintain a straight back and keep your heads up. And then slightly down the bar and then move up and then do it nice and slowly. Almost at 12 to 6 reps according to your strength. Inhale, and then down, and then exhale. Inhale, exhale helps you to maintain your strength and keeps your body full power. Leg workout is good for the lower body and full body workout. It keeps your metabolism alive and it helps you to burn more fats. If you have a back injury and then your neck is very tight, don't do this exercise. You can do other squat exercise like kettle squats and then barbell squat. Then back. There you go. Emerson, thank you for demonstrating us the leg workout. And that's how we use the squat racks. If you want to learn more about this exercise, you can visit us here in the Anytime Fitness Wilson or any branch of the Anytime Fitness Philippines. I'm Coach Chris from Anytime Fitness Wilson. Thank you for watching. See you!